Hello everybody, this is Professor Theory. I will be helping you to understand more about the topics in this video. Today, we are going to learn about the topic completing the square method. So stay tuned. There are numerous ways to solve for quadratic equation. Factorization and usage of quadratic formula are the two very popular ones, but we are going to cover completing the square today. But sometimes, quadratic equations are given to us in a very simple format where we can just perform square root on both sides. For example, this equation here, x minus 3 squared equal to 8. What we can do is right away apply square root on both sides of equal sign. Then we're going to get x minus 3 equal to 2 square root of 2. Oh yeah, plus minus 2 square root of 2. And by adding 3 on both sides of the equation, then we get x equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2, or x equal to 3 minus 2 square root of 2. And that's how easy it is to solve this quadratic equation. But unfortunately, we are not always given a quadratic equation that's easily be solvable like this. Sometimes you are given some complicated one like this. X squared minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Well, this equation is a little bit tough. If you perform factorization, you will not get any answer of it. If you do, or if you use quadratic formula, of course, you are going to get the right answer. But, there is no fun in using formula. So I'm going to teach you on how to use completing the square to achieve our objective. Well, in fact, the equation I've just shown here is exactly the same as the one on top. And I'll show you why. Let's say if I add 8 to the both sides of the equal sign, then we are getting x squared minus 6x plus 9, that is 1 plus 8 equal to 9, is equal to 8. And the expression on the left is fully factorizable. It becomes x minus 3 equal to 8 to get the right answer. I'm going to show you the more structured ways on how to solve this problem, and that way is completing the square. Now watch this. I'm going to write the same equation again. X squared minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. The first step to do is to get rid of 1. How do we do that? By subtracting 1 on both sides of the equation sign. So we will have x squared minus 6x plus empty box equal to minus 1. Now, we have one empty box there, and we will fill that with another number. Why do you want to put another number there? Because we want to turn the one on the left side to become a perfect square. So let me show you how. Okay, we're going to bring back the equation just now. So that x squared minus 6x plus empty box, that is equal to x minus a squared. Now you might have guessed, why do I put x minus a squared over there? Well, our intention is to transform the expression into a perfect square, and I put a variable a there so that we define what the value is. So let me expand it now to become x squared minus 2ax plus a squared, and to the left is x squared minus 6x plus the empty boxes. Now the next step is that we have the three-term expression, as you can see from the equation. We want to compare the coefficient of each of the term. Now let's take a look at the coefficient of x squared. We have it matched because it's 1 over here and 1 on the right as well. The next thing is to compare the coefficient of x. Over here we have that 2a must be equal to 6, so as such a is equal to 3. Now what are we going to do with the value of a? Our intention is to find out what goes into the box. So the empty box just now is equal to a squared as indicated by the equation up here. But a is equal to 3, so 3 squared is equal to 9. So that is the number, the magic number that we need to add into the equation on the left. But we cannot just add 9 on the left side. If we add 9 on the left side of the equation, we need also put 9 on the right side of the equal sign. So that is now x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal to minus 1 plus 9. So that makes it 8. Now, the expression on the left is fully factorizable to become x minus 3 equal to 8. x minus 3 and x minus 3, that is a perfect square. So that is x minus 3 squared equal to 8. That x minus 3 squared, as we have done before, we can square root. So we put square root here on the left and square root on the right. We will get x minus 3 equal to plus minus 2 and square root of 2. And we are back to the state where we were before. So that means x is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2, or x is equal to 3 minus 2 square root of 2. So we have already applied completing the square to solve one rather complicated quadratic equation. Now I would like to urge you to do a lot of practices, because practices makes perfect. Once you have done a lot of practices and enough number of it, everything that I've taught you here will become second nature to you. Thank you for your time and interest. Make sure you watch another video so that you can learn more about maths. See you again. Bye-bye.